That's my phone going off. So, there's a ton of stuff going on this weekend, and I'm hoping that I can vlog it. Tonight is my second cousin's birthday, so I'll be doing that. Tomorrow is my birthday, so we'll be doing that. And then Sunday, I have my family getting together for my birthday, so yeah. And I'm texting my other grandmother right now. I have both grandmothers in town, but I'm texting my other grandmother right now because I'm going to be picking her and my uncle up to go to my second cousin's birthday tonight. Anyhow, we got a doggy, we got a donut, and we're about to have some coffee.
Yeah, it's on. What's going on, guys? So, me and the boss here are you the boss? Are you the boss? She goes, yeah, I think I'm the boss. So I just got through making some lunch. It's going on 1 o'clock already, and me and her just ran to the bank, had to take care of some business, and then I got home and made an omelet. Got some grilled cheese, peppers and onions in that mother effer. Gonna eat this, and then I gotta lay her down for a nap because she's cranky. I laid her down around 11 o'clock because she was tired. Spit up, threw up, woke up. It was a clusterfuck. So here we are. So we're gonna try this shit again because she's getting like really. Tom, I'm getting cranky. Go lay down, Tom. Go lay down, Toby. It's the Toby Cam. Tobinator. Want a puppy? Anybody want this dog?
Baby eating carrots. She gets so excited about it.
Carrots. Ready? Here we go.
Mmm, yummy. She's so excited about it.
Want more?
Give me more. Give me more. Oh, I love the carrots. Oh, thanks.
They're yummy, yeah.
Thanks, Dad, for the carrots.
I'll feed your blanket.
Whee! Yay, baby girl.
Oh, that's some orange poop.
That orange poopy, though. This is the most cutest thing ever. It took her a month to not want to just only eat a bottle, but it's success. She's ready for solid foods at 5 months. No, don't use the blanket. Yeah, you'll stain the blanket with the carrots. Yeah, baby girl, you and your little carrot face is so adorable. So we are at this place that delivers food by train, and I thought it was really cute. So here's the food by train. It's coming. You guys just kind of see how it is. You're gonna drop something on it and then just go. Which is great for him. Hi. We're at my second cousin's birthday party with a place that delivers food by train. It's freaking awesome. So awesome. Don't be laughing at me. I'm sorry. Here it goes again. Oh, it's like so slow around the corner there. Did you just spit up, baby? Did you become a spittle baby? You're the baby spittles. You're the baby spittles. I love you, baby girl. Yeah, when I get home I will. It's recording. Alright, so baby girl and I are saying peace out and dookie. We love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog yet again. Stay tuned for... Look at her little toes. She's like, I'm going to wrap my little toes around mommy's stuff and everything. She's such a dork. I love you, baby girl. I love you. So, yeah, anyhow, I don't know where I left off. I got distracted by baby toes. Love you, Reese's. Okay. Insulate here. Stay tuned for some announcements. I mean, they're not... I don't know if you guys are going to be happy or sad about the announcements, but stay tuned for announcements. And, yep, we'll see you guys in the next video.